It's another gorgeous day at a campsite not far from Opus HQ in Suffolk, and competition is heating up for our 4 contestants. Using only the cooking features available in the Opus, and with just 30 minutes to prep, cook and plate, our chagrined chefs will present their dish and the others will score the meal. The winner gets bragging rights in the office, and the loser has to do the washing up. How will our brave bakers, batterers and basters fare under the canvas? Will they manage their mirepoix? Will their roux bring ooze or booze? From the mobile Opus studio, we invite you to come camp with me. Brand leader for Opus, Brett is our next culinary contestant. Famed for his focus on details, we shall see if the same applies to his cooking.
Oh, I'm very excited. Can't wait to see what everyone's going to be cooking and the competition and how people are going to use the different features inside the Opus. The dish is Gino D'Acampo's sausage tagliatelle with rosemary, porcini mushrooms and cream. I love Italy and I'm a huge pasta fan. So yeah, it seemed like a good combination and I thought it would be something that's quick and easy but hopefully tasty in the 30 minutes that we've got.
Gino D'Acampo is famously hard-nosed when it comes to traditional Italian cuisine, so hopefully Brett's pasta dish passes muster.
Right guys, it's time for my round.
So we've got Brett's dish.
Very exciting.
And it is Gino D'Acampo's tagliatelle with sausage, rosemary and porcini mushrooms.
Ah, bella, bella, vita bella.
I do love an Italian sausage.
I do love an Italian sausage as well.
Don't know whether Brett's going to be able to channel Gino D'Acampo all that well. But...
I don't know, I think he will, actually. I think it's going to be really good and it's going to be the winning dish and I'd like a raise.
Introductions complete, our 30-minute timer begins.
3, 2, 1, go!
Right, first up, I need my pan. I'm going to do it far more sensibly than Sam. 6 tablespoons. Have we got any tablespoons? Absolutely not. Right, next up, sausages out. Need to skin the sausages. No throwing stuff all around, eh, Sam? This is me, so there'll probably be about 100 hand washes. Italian herbs in next. Crumbly, crumbly. Sam, get out of the shot! It's always the cameraman. Come on, babies. I've got to make sure that my, sausage to mushroom ratio is on point,
So Brett, what made you choose this recipe?
It's one that we do at home a lot. It's super easy, super quick, really tasty. I've got the Gino pasta cookbook, which actually my auntie bought me. So yeah, it's a favourite. We like watching Gino, Fred and Gordon on their adventures, so here's my little bit of Italy for you.
Brett, what do you like most about Gino?
His accent. Ciao, bella!
I didn't know you knew French.
Leeks going in. 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary leaves, so we will be guessing with this. Oh, no, we want pepper. Right. Right, next I need to strain my mushrooms, so I need a sieve. Oh no, time obstructors here.
Are they going in whole or are you chopping them up?
These are going to be chopped. I'm going to give them an extra rinse as well. Sam, these are very nice knives, but I feel like I might need to buy your mum and dad a knife sharpener.
Well, bring your own knives next time.
Here we go.
So what vintage is this?
This is a wonderful 2020 screw cap. Yeah, absolute class, I would suggest.
Brett loves cooking with wine, and sometimes he even puts it in the food.
Now I'm going to come out and put the pasta in. 3-minute jobby. So was your dishing up time in the 30 minutes?
I think essentially it was. I don't think we...
How many minutes have I got left? It is on, right? Ready to drain my pasta. I want to keep a bit of pasta water. Better now it's on. Right, there we go, team. And another course left.
Well, another meal down, another hungry gang waiting for a forkful. Get stuck in, boys.
So guys, here we've got Gino de Campo's sausage, leek, rosemary cream, porcini mushrooms with tagliatelle. Enjoy.
Looks really good.
And what kind of sausage is it?
It is an Italian sausage.
Yeah, we're only not going to critique you because we're worried about losing our jobs.
Brett's not my boss.
Yeah, Toby doesn't have that worry.
Whoa, it's carbs.
That's not.
You're keto.
Good. It was a really nice kind of rusticy,
A farmer sort of pasta.
yeah, country pasta.
Yeah.
Feel like it could have done 6.
Yeah, absolutely.
Lots of food.
Or perhaps even 8
Well,
people's worth.
Perhaps even.
I think Gino would be proud.
3 with me about. But no, very, very nice.
Yeah.
Only criticism, slightly more bit of salt from me.
More mushrooms.
Yeah.
More pizzazz.
More pizzazz.
Could you put cheese on it next time?
Some parmesan.
So the tagliatelle has been taglia had, and now we can tagli up our scores.
Yeah, nice. I think the raw kind of the rosemary garnish was maybe a bit off. I don't know, in places, but generally the dish was really nice. Sauce really good. A lack of mushrooms as well. Could have done with some more mushrooms, but the sausage flavour was really good and the pasta was really nice cooked as well. Yeah, very good.
I really, really liked it. Proper country style, old style pasta. No, really, really nice. Sausages were really nice in it. And the rosemary cut through it really, really well. Yeah, a nice contrast to the first dish that we had. Yeah, it was really, really nice.
Excellent.
Really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I thought it was really nice, really homely, warm and wholesome dish. The sausage pasta gets a 7.
I think I'm going to go with a 7.
8.
And with a final score of 22 out of 30, that puts Brett on an even playing field with Sam. There we are, clearly a firm favourite. And to celebrate, we can see Brett showing off his Italian Sign Language skills. This translates to, "My diet starts tomorrow." Join us again next week for another contestant on Come Camp With Me, presented by OPUS.